You guys ready to get started? We're doing another Playing with Your Food. Oh my goodness, right? The most requested series. And we're doing mac and cheese today. We've got 4 brands. Okay, so this is what we're going to do. I got Velveeta. I got Annie's. I got the Great Value from Walmart. And I got the regular, the most famous, Kraft macaroni and cheese. They're like microwavable. We're going to scoop them out. We're going to weigh them. Who gives you the most mac and cheese? We also want to know who gives you the most mac. We also want to know who gives you the most cheese. It's going to be really interesting because we're going to find out how much cheese in each package, how much macaroni in each package. We're going to count them. Are you guys ready? Let's get started. Alright guys, so we opened the Annie's and the macaroni's in there. Not a lot of macaroni in there. We're going to check it out in a minute. And then it comes with this cheese packet. So all of them come with cheese packets, except Velveeta over here has a cheese sauce. It's all squishy in this aluminum. Okay? Then I opened the Kraft and there was this white powdery stuff inside the macaroni, in addition to the cheese packet. And I thought, that's weird. What is that? Did the cheese break open or what? And then I opened, this has a kind of a, if you move it around, has a little bit of a white substance. We think it may be salt. We don't know. If you know, let me know. And this has a white substance, and it's using shell macaroni on Velveeta. So that's impressive. So this is what we're going to do. We're going to count each shell as one noodle. Okay? So we're going to get this white flaky stuff out. We're going to count this macaroni, then put it back in. Okay guys, so we have counted all the noodles in each one. We have weighed all the noodles to see who gives you the most. And now we're weighing out right here each of the cheese powders and the liquid cheese we're going to weigh also. See who gives you the most cheese. But let's talk about this while she's doing the measurements. But let me just talk about what we found out so far. Let's close these lids here, if we can. There we go. All right. So, all right, let's run over this. Okay, so Velveeta, 173. Great Value's got 322. Kraft has 240, and Annie has 381, which makes Annie the winner with the number of noodles. Now the weight. We got Velveeta coming in at 1.2 ounces. Great Value coming in at 1 ounce. Then we got Kraft at 1.4 ounces. And Annie's at 1.6 ounces, making Annie's again the winner with the most in weight. Now we're going to find out how much cheese truly came in the packets. This is interesting. So Annie's won both categories so far. I would have thought it would have been Velveeta, but no. Annie's is winning. Okay, we got Velveeta, the cheese sauce coming in at almost an ounce, 0.9 of an ounce. You got half an ounce with Great Value, and you've got 0.4 with Kraft. The Great Value has more powder. And Annie's cheese came in at 0.2 ounces. So there's all the numbers. We'll show you a chart at the end of this video. Let's recap right now. Okay, so I have to tell you, after looking at all the numbers, Annie won most of the categories except the cheese sauce. Velveeta won. But I gotta tell you, the Velveeta cheese looks more like cheese than the rest of these, so I would probably lean towards Velveeta. Okay, so Velveeta looks like real cheese. The rest have chemical powders. I don't even believe they're cheese. If so, that might look the closest to cheese as anything. But if I had to pick, the winner would be Annie, who won 2 categories, weight and number of noodles. You get more with Annie's. If you don't like the flavor, try the Velveeta. And there you go, Playing with Your Food, macaroni and cheese.